Imagine this. In your hands, you hold a single dollar bill. Seems insignificant, right? Now, multiply that by 1,000,000. That's a number most people can't even fathom. But for the wealthiest in the world, it's just another drop in their ocean of fortune. While they're raking in billions, you're here watching this, possibly juggling bills, stuck in a job you don't love, or drowning in student debt. Does it feel unfair? Almost rigged. You've been told that working hard is the way to success. Yet, the harder you work, the further that dream of financial freedom seems to drift. Buying your dream home, traveling the world, paying off your parents' debts, these might feel like distant fantasies, buried under rising expenses and stagnant paychecks. And every time you see those billionaires splashed across the news, it's hard not to think, how did they do it? What am I missing? Is it luck? Were they born into it? Did they cheat the system? Or is there a deeper truth about money that you've never been told? A truth that could change everything for you. By the end of this video, you'll see money in a way you've never seen it before. You'll understand the rules of a game you didn't even know you were playing. But here's the catch. The path isn't easy. It demands more than just hard work. It requires a mindset shift, a willingness to unlearn and rebuild. So, are you ready to step out of the cycle, to challenge what you've been taught, and to rewrite your financial story? If the answer is yes, let's dive in. Because this isn't just a video about money, it's a blueprint for freedom. From the moment we step into a classroom, we're given a script to follow. Study hard, get a good job, save money, and someday retire comfortably. But here's the thing, this script isn't designed to make you rich. It's designed to keep you working for those who are. Take inflation, for example. In 1990, $10 could buy you a basket of groceries. Today, that same $10 barely covers a sandwich. While prices go up, wages stay stagnant. And the savings you worked so hard for? They lose value every year. But the real kicker is this. Wealth isn't earned by trading time for money. It's built by understanding how the system works, and then using it to your advantage. Here's a truth you won't hear in school. Money follows value, not effort. The wealthiest people in the world didn't just work harder, they solved bigger problems. Think of Jeff Bezos. He didn't just sell books, he reimagined how people shop online. Elon Musk didn't just build electric cars. He's transforming how we think about energy and space travel. These aren't just businesses, they're solutions to global problems. The difference between the rich and everyone else is this. The rich build systems. They automate, delegate, and scale. For most people, income stops the moment they stop working. But for the wealthy, money keeps flowing, thanks to systems they've built. And then there's self-education. While schools teach you to follow the rules, the wealthy learn to rewrite them. They study markets, human behavior, and financial systems. They don't wait for permission to succeed, they go out and take it. So, how do you escape this endless cycle of work, spend, repeat? The first step is a mindset shift. Stop seeing money as the goal. Instead, see it as a tool to achieve freedom. Next, focus on assets over liabilities. An asset is something that puts money in your pocket like stocks, rental properties, or a business. A liability takes money out of your pocket like a car loan or credit card debt. The more assets you own, the closer you get to financial freedom. Then, build multiple streams of income. Start with one, then diversify. It could be a side hustle investments, or creating something that generates passive income. Remember, the goal isn't to work more, it's to work smarter. Finally, invest in yourself and your network. Learn new skills, meet people who inspire you, and surround yourself with those who challenge you to grow. The most valuable asset you'll ever own is your mind. What does financial freedom really mean? It's not about having millions in the bank. It's about having the ability to choose how you spend your time. It's about living life on your own terms. Imagine this. You wake up not because an alarm tells you to, but because you're excited to start your day. You spend your time with loved ones, pursue your passions, and make an impact in the world. That's what true wealth looks like. Getting there isn't easy, but it's simple. Track your spending. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Invest in assets that grow over time. And, most importantly, start today. The sooner you take control, the sooner you'll see results. Now that you know the truth about money, the question is, what will you do with it? Will you continue following the same script, or will you write your own? Remember, the journey to wealth starts with a single step, and that step is understanding the system. The rest is up to you. Thank you for watching. If this video sparked something in you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Together, let's change the way the world thinks about money.